Hello YouTube, today we're gonna learn how to use your iPhone as spy camera. So you can use your video or a photo. All you have to do is follow the instructions. So let's start. First thing, you need to of course unlock your phone. So let me unlock my phone first. And today we're gonna use iPhone 6. You have to go to your settings because we have to set your camera first. On the settings, you scroll down to the camera. We're gonna look for the camera. You need to go to preserve settings. Under the preserve settings, you can see their camera mode. And under the camera mode, it states there that preserve the last mode, such as video or square, rather than automatically reset the photo. So you have to on that. Second thing that you need to do is, of course, you go to your camera and set your camera into your preference. Alright, so you're gonna see me there, messy hair. Okay, so I'm gonna use video and then I'm going to flip the camera and then go back to your home screen and lock your phone. Okay. The next thing that you need to do is, of course, to open by clicking your power button. And then you need to slide your screen as if you're opening the camera. And then you have to tap home key once. And then you have to lock your phone. And then you can use the up or down volume key to record or to take a photo. So let's use the volume key to record a video. And right now the video is recording. Okay, while the phone is locked. Alright, in order for us to stop that, you have to tap again the up volume key. And as you have observed, when you click the power key, it will show you the video mode. Alright, let's try. There. Okay, so you have to unlock your phone and go to the gallery to check. Let's go to the gallery and there you go. Here it is. Alright, here's the video. Alright. So now you can now use your phone as a spy camera. Thank you. Please subscribe. For more Jug Here exclusive videos, click here to subscribe.